tequila, mangoes, durian, even chocolate. These aren't just global delicacies, these are multi-billion-dollar industries. But when we think of pollination that makes this food possible, we visualize the day shift, the bees, the butterflies. But there is another crew, a silent, flying army that takes over when the sun goes down. Tonight, we meet the masters of the night shift. To understand why bats are essential, we first have to travel to the desert southwest in Mexico. This is the realm of the lesser long-nosed bat. These aren't the insect-eating bats you might know. They are specialist nectar feeders. Their entire biology is a design for one job: reaching deep inside a cactus or agave flower. Every spring, these tiny mammals, smaller than your phone, migrate over 1,000 miles, following what scientists call the Nectar Trail. They are following the bloom times of the saguaro cactus and, most importantly, the agave. The blue agave is the only source of tequila. For generations, farmers have harvested the plant before it flowers, because that is when the sugars are the highest. This is the collision point. No flower means no food for the migrating bats. Industrial farming was quite literally starving the pollinators that made their crop possible. But conservationists and forward-thinking tequila producers found a balance. This seal, Bat Friendly, is awarded to brands that allow just 5% of their agave plants to bloom. 5% is enough. This bat, now wearing a pollen beard, will carry that genetic material to another plant, ensuring the genetic diversity of the agave species and the future of tequila. The agave story is just one chapter. If we move to the rainforest of Southeast Asia, the scale gets even bigger. Meet the durian, known globally as the world's smelliest fruit. It is also a billion-dollar export. The problem is, for a long time, durian farmers hated bats. These are the island's flying foxes. With wingspans up to 5 feet, farmers wrongly believed they were eating the precious flowers and destroying the crop. They were shot, poisoned, and deterred. This is the breakthrough evidence. Bats, including the large flying foxes, are the primary pollinators of durian. The flowers themselves have evolved to only open at night, specifically to attract these massive, efficient carriers. No bats, no pollination, no durian. But the bats are not just working for our agricultural economy, they are the essential foresters of the natural world. Think about the scale. A bee or a butterfly is a localized pollinator, moving within a small territory. But a bat, a single pollinating bat, can travel up to 11 miles in a single night. This mobility makes them a critical genetic bridge. In fragmented forests, bats are often the only vector connecting isolated patches of trees, ensuring long-distance cross-pollination. Without them, thousands of rainforest species would slowly inbreed and die out. They keep the jungle alive. Pollinating bats are not scary. They are efficient, essential, and entirely silent partners in the global ecosystem that feeds us and keeps our planet green. The next time you enjoy a margarita, a mango, or even dark chocolate, remember who was working the night shift to get it to your table.